Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Lexus GX 470. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.